morning, or what is it, Monday? Is it Monday? It's Sunday. What the heck? I was close. As you can see, I have my puffy voice still. I'm not completely woken up yet, but enjoying myself some coffee. And I'm going to just do a quick sound check here on my Shure KSM-32. What we'll do here is go around and see what's going on around here. So I don't got everything on yet, but this is the side view of my control center. And back to me, and then I got another scene here that is, nope, I'm sorry, it's not the right camera. There we go. So this is what it would look like if you were a fly sitting on top of my boom arm. That's what you would see. It's the over aerial shot per se. Right. All right. So anyhow, how's that sound today? Sounds to me a little bit not as quiet as I like, but then again, things do change. Going through the internet and through the outer net and through the dark web, compressed, squeezed, spat out to a nominal compression ratio, and voila, there you go. There you have it. And that's what I sound like. All right. So